The name suggests that they be on that new. We are both filming at the same time.
My mic sounds nice, ayy.
Huh? If you live right, I'm gonna test it out.
Turn me all around.
There are very specific steps that you have to take. No lace, no glue, no leave out. Don't be up here lying. The doors of the church are open. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Don't it make it have bone structure? Y'all know I be having prefaces. I have to tell you my preface before we even get started. Preface 1, I slayed today. I slayed today, didn't I? That's preface number 2. We're gonna get to that. But you remember I had did that one on the right cheek and then I came over here to the left. The left ain't all the way come through with it. The left was a little tired this morning, but the right, honey. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Don't it make it have bone structure? Okay, let me just get into preface number 2 because my husband, we are both filming at the same time. I am filming beauty, he is filming gaming, and you're going to hear him. You're going, and my son. I'm just letting you know because it's inevitable, okay? So 2 prefaces today. That's the... I always be having to say stuff. Okay, y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. The doors of the church are open. Y'all be like, girl, you is somebody's church, baby. I really am. I know I'm angled. That's because I got my mirror right here. Because we are doing something really, I don't know about this one. So we're gonna get into that right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam! How low can you go? Hey, can you go down a little? Hey. Girl, you know you the bomb. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my day ones. I appreciate y'all so much. You already know that. Okay, so this company reached out to me. First of all, the name of the company is Innovative Weaves. Go on. I was intrigued in the mug. I said, well, now what y'all. So the name suggests that they be on that new. So I was like, what type of AI are we getting ready to do with the weave game? Like, I'm excited. Like, what? They have this wig called the Thin Part Wig. It's kind of like a U part, but you know, traditional U parts, you have to leave your hair out. And I just don't want to do that. This particular Thin Part Wig makes it so you can either leave no leave out or very little, like sparse little pieces. My mic is right here. I'm going to test it out. Huh?
My mic sounds nice, ayy.
So we are going to test out this Thin Part Wig. I'm anxious and I'm a little scared, but they say if you live right, heaven belongs to you. So in the wig world, that means if you're doing things that's pleasing in the eyesight of God, then your wigs might work sometimes. If you live right, heaven belongs to you. Now you got to live right though, if y'all want these wigs to work. Okay, so let's jump into this innovative wig. Okay, so they say we invent wigs and hair extensions to make women's life easier. This wig allows you to wear your own real scalp with no leave out. Do I have Nicole? Ooh, they have one named Queen. That's the one I should have got. I mean, I got Nicole. I have not even opened the box. The box is lovely. This is the box. NICOLE is a 4A, 4B curl, and it's a thin part wig. No lace, no glue, no leave out. Don't be up here lying. All thin part wigs can be worn as a right, left, or center part. Features true roots closure, which matches the roots of your hair. True roots, yeah. Y'all coming up with little slogans and stuff. Leave out 99% to 100% less hair than a U-part wig. 30 days satisfaction guaranteed. Hey, free warranty. I know that's right. Patent pending, which means you cannot find this product anywhere else until somebody else does it. Uh-oh, I didn't mean it. You know how folk do that. Take off one string of hair and be like, this is different. I have one less strand of hair than what you did. Let's see, let me look at this. She remembered who she was and the game changed. They done put somebody's quote on here, honey. That's the Instagram quote. Come on now. It's very nicely presented, y'all, and that matters to me. They have package sauce, y'all. Smells good. Well, here is the wig. Ooh. Y'all, this smells so good. It's very soft, y'all. Right around where the U part would be. It's very thin, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combs along this U part. That's what the U part looks like when you turn it over. It does look very natural right there. Now, I don't know if that's gonna just merge with my hair. I don't know. I don't know if it's just gonna merge like that, but come on, focus. There we go. Bam. Okay, and then there are 1, 2, 3 other combs. Oh, this is gonna be really secure. That's good. 1, 2, 3, and there's the adjustable strap. So this seems like it's gonna be very secure. I'm just gonna throw it on and we finna see. Cause if not, then somebody lying. Like, my expectations are so high because I want this to be right. This is just clipped in. I'm gonna go in the white room so y'all can really see it. Innovative weave.
Candy rain coming down, turn me all around. I said I don't disturb this groove. It seem nice so.
Y'all, I'm gonna go play with this, but yes. Okay. I'm so hyped. Hold on, y'all. So this is the next day. A completely long story, but I had to jump back on this wig. I want you guys to see this wig in its state. There are very specific steps that you have to take in order to get the most flawless install. Very, very easy. I'm actually about to apply the wig now, but I just wanted to let you guys know you really want to follow these instructions to get your easiest U-part install in life. Okay, like the easiest. Okay, I'm just going to guide you through the install and see what we come up with, y'all. Let's do this.
And you don't stop, yeah. Fly with y'all, yeah. I took the beach, y'all. Wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Give her everything, just shot of the world. Could get a grip every time I tried to hold on, I slipped deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with her drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay when I'm hungry. She feed my soul when I'm lonely. She keep me company. It's funny, I used to wanna grow older, travel with sight in these rhymes, so they realize that she got me out of my mind. I'm trying to kick these nerves to grab hold to the microphone. Got him nodding along. Maybe she'll save the world for me. Maybe she'll right my wrongs if I'm coming on too strong. Oh well, only way to tell is by saying just how I feel, and that's real. Alright, I know I'm lying to myself. Pardon my wishful thinking. Still fly from head to trinkets. Afraid of blinking, can't even miss a second of the blessings. I'm living messy, like every minute is a gift, it's a pleasure. Let's get together, let's spin us a smooth forever. Wait, pick up your mood, I know I lack the direction. Skipped on class at a lecture, busy trying to get it together. Something clever, my notes are tethered to the reckless behaviors with good intentions. Smolder incense, good riddance to negative energy. Let peace, love, and serenity spill for me. None as ill as me, truth be told, barely real as me. How I let feelings loose on loose leaf. Murder the goose beat, shout to Mills on the cool keys. Ooh, she's feel like a cool breeze. Near the ocean tide, from the cove to the globe wide, with an open eye and a smile, feel like everything might turn out to be fine. All that I need, got me going
I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I always stay dreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and